is a Medea.
No.
Oh,
Get up.
look, handy washing machine. Oh, it's a bit broken.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be careful.
What's smart? It's old fashioned.
That's a washer dryer.
Yeah. This looks like a new one. Look how big this door is.
They're washing machines. Yeah. On this side, washing machines. The other side's washer dryers. Come on then.
This is the one that's always dancing. It's got eight. And I don't know why it's got eight. That's the motor inside. Here. See? No way, there's two. They must be brothers. Let's see if this one's got a motor. Electric. This is a common of our insect. It's got everything. It's got a needle. Then we just do a test. This one is an electric one. Our one is a motor one.